I want you to pick up a 20 shilling coin. Multiply that 20 shilling coin by 10,000. You will get 200,000 20 shilling coins, which are equivalent to 200,000 Kenya shillings. Congratulations! You have just calculated the average price of a bootcamp at Murang'a school in Kenya. Now, let's talk about you for a second. You are probably a student or a graduate who has come to the realization that getting a job in Kenya is next to impossible. You are probably planning or wishing to attend a bootcamp at Murang'a school or ALX or others, thinking that it will help you land a job that might bring you some good money. Your savings account balance is very little. You are drowning in a HELB loan that is funding your university education. Getting a job in tech seems like an impossible task. You are always asking yourself how the people who have jobs got them. You see your fellow graduates who you performed better than get connected to various jobs. You are so angry because you feel like they cheated their way, yet you who performed better than them is still struggling to get a job. The idea of you not getting your dream job is slowly becoming a reality, and you think the only way out is to sell some of your property so as to raise money to attend a bootcamp at Murang'a school or ALX. But what if that is a scam? What if spending a huge amount of money on these bootcamps still won't help you get any job? What if the certification that you're hoping to get from that bootcamp is actually not a certification, but a certificate of completion, which is useless in the real world? Would you call me a liar for saying all this? I promise that I am not, and by the end of this video, you will understand that there is a side to these bootcamps that is a scam, and there is another way, but I warn you, it is a much tougher path even though it is less expensive. It requires dedication and discipline. You will need to stop being a sheep by following the herd and become a lion who is willing to travel alone so as to seek the truth. Just to be clear, some of you will not make it to the end of this journey, but for those that do, at the end of this journey you will find the job of your dreams waiting for you. At the end of this journey, you will be the happiest person in the world. At the end of this journey, you will have enough money to buy the things that bring you happiness. So, let's get right into it. What do you think when you hear the word certification? Is it a paper? Is it bought? Is it found in any school? Will it help you ace the interview? Does it guarantee you a job? Have you been chasing your dream job since you were born? Truthfully speaking, your definition of a certification has been influenced by YouTubers and the scam online and on-site bootcamps and courses that promise you a certificate of completion that is disguised as a certification. I'm not saying there isn't value to attending a bootcamp. There is value, yes, but the bootcamp should not be sold in a way that it promises you something which it can't give you. In turn, it gives you something else disguised as that which you were promised. That is the one and only definition of a scam. Now, listen to me carefully. A certification is offered only by the owners of the technology. It is usually an exam and not a course. It is hard. You usually look for the study materials for the exam, study for the exam, and when you are ready to do the exam in the location and manner the owner of the technology has specified, you pay for and do the exam. When you pass, you are given the certification. If you fail the exam, you get nothing. You pay again and repeat the exam. Examples of certifications for data and business intelligence analysts are Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification, which is offered by Tableau company itself because they are the owners of the technology. The second one is Microsoft Certified Azure Data Fundamentals, offered by Microsoft company itself because they are the owners of the technology. A certificate of completion can be offered by anyone, including you. You can just create an imaginary company, design a certificate in Adobe Illustrator, and start training people and selling them your certificate of completion by disguising it as a certification, which Murang'a School, ALX, and other bootcamps are doing. No wonder their graduates or trainees can't get any jobs. If you want to attend a bootcamp or an online course, make sure you attend one that is a certification-based training. A certification-based training is a project-based training by default because certification-based trainings are always hands-on. When I mention certification-based training, I believe you know now what I'm talking about. That is what we offer at AHU, purely certification-based training on data analytics and business intelligence analytics, where after completion you will be ready to do the certification exam in the place and manner specified by the owners of the technology, who can be Microsoft, Tableau, Google, Oracle, AWS, or any other technology owner. And there it is, your formula to spotting a scam bootcamp. Of course, I omitted so many things since how bootcamps such as Murang'a School and ALX operate has so many details, which is too vast for me to cover in a single video like this. But if you want to know more about them, I recommend checking out their websites and adverts which motivated me to create this video. I'd like to come back to an original point that I made, which was that Kenyan bootcamps are scams because they sell you certificates of completion disguised as certifications. If you follow this scam path, you will never land a legitimate tech job. You might get a job, yes, but not the one you're supposed to. The salary you will earn will be way less than the one you're supposed to. Follow the right path, do the right certifications I've told you to do, and see what happens. Employers will fight for you and you will get the job of your dreams. Fantastic! You've arrived at the end of the video and thank you for sparing time to watch, but don't click off just yet. I want to humbly appreciate you for sacrificing time to watch this video to the end. This video took a lot of time to research, script, and edit. There isn't a word that can perfectly describe how much I appreciate your support. If you gained something from the video, smash the like button. If you have any disagreements, let's discuss them in the comment section. The goal of this channel is to create content to help you get a job, make money, and be successful in careers in technology. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in and you'd like to see more of, smack the subscribe button and obliterate the notification bell, and make sure every notification of yours is turned on. All of that being said, let's meet in the next one.